Good morning, friends. It is Thursday. Alright, so today we're going to only focus on science and social studies. For science and social studies this week, I've kind of combined the two, and you're only going to do one activity. You're going to learn about one specific topic this week for science and social studies, okay? So yesterday was Earth Day. We didn't talk about it because we were kind of focusing on reading and writing and math yesterday, but I wanted to talk about it today because our topic relates to Earth Day and it relates to how we've been learning about the habitats on our Earth and the plants and the animals. Okay, so this week you're going to be learning about reducing, reusing, and recycling things. Okay, we recycle in our classroom, and we have this green bin that we put our cardboard lunch trays in, and we recycle those. Okay, and then we also have a trash can in our room. We don't just throw anything in our trash can. We only throw things that we can't reuse, we can't recycle. Okay. Alright, so you just got done watching this video on Brain Pop on reducing, reusing, and recycling. Okay? Recycling, that means that we're going to use old materials or old items to make new items. Okay? That is what you're going to do this week, today and tomorrow. I want you guys to complete a recycling project. So you are going to gather things that you can recycle. Okay, so these are all examples of things that you can recycle. Okay, plastic bottles, cans, glass if you have glass bottles, batteries, paper, cereal boxes, fruit cans, anything like that that you can reuse to make something cool. Okay, so that's what I want you to do today. I want you to brainstorm. I want you to think really hard about something cool that you can make. And if you can't think of something on your own, I want you to ask your parents to go onto Pinterest and you're going to type in recycled projects for kids and oh my goodness, you're going to see all of these cool different things that you can make out of stuff at your house that can be recycled or reused. Okay, like this person made a really cool wind chime out of cans. Let's see. Ooh, this person made a cool planter, a pot for plants. This person made robots out of boxes and old containers. Okay, so there are so many cool things that you can make for your recycled project, okay? And I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with. It is important that we do these things and that we do recycle so that we can help take care of where we live, okay? If we don't recycle and we don't reuse things and we continue to just throw away everything, we can hurt where we live. We can hurt our habitat and it would make it hard for us to live in our habitat, okay? All right, so I want you guys to have a lot of fun with this, okay? And it's not I don't want to see completed projects until Friday. And if you don't finish Friday, it is okay. You can show me your completed project on Monday, okay? So I just want you to take your time with this and I want you to have fun with this project. Miss Garcia is going to work on some stuff herself. Hopefully I'm able to finish it so I can show you guys tomorrow. But I've been collecting some metal cans, and I'm gonna surprise you tomorrow with what it is that I decided to do with them. Okay? All right. Have lots of fun and have a great Thursday.